Meaning of dramatically.
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 Dramatically. Dramatically means in a sudden and noticeable way that creates a significant impact or change. When something happens dramatically, it results in a striking transformation that is immediately apparent to those who observe it. For example, if a company's profits increase dramatically, it means that they have experienced a sudden and substantial surge in earnings. Similarly, if a person loses weight dramatically, it suggests that they have undergone a significant physical transformation in a short amount of time, resulting in a noticeable change in their appearance.